Hello. We are making s'mores today. The tutorial. Today. Will be your first look at my face. Oh, that's not my eyes. Wait. Hello, world. We're gonna be making s'mores. I'm a tiny child, so I have to do this with a parent present. Mom, walk in the frame. She will be my food critic for today. So, like I said, we are gonna be making s'mores. At the end, she will be examining the s'mores to tell me if I did good. So we're gonna get our first ingredient. So the first ingredient is
Daphne.
graham crackers. So these would be perfect if somebody didn't freaking hit them with the hammer fist. So this one's edge corner kind of broken off now. I'm seriously angry. No wait, this isn't the first step. Put this right here. Let me go get the actual first step.
You need to show them how to crack it.
You want me to grab another graham cracker?
No, whatever.
First ingredient is the marshmallow. Whoa, marshmallow. Perfect marshmallow, you can smell it. Okay, this is the dangerous part. Also, don't put the s'mores in the microwave. It will explode and burn the house down. I've already almost burnt my abuelo's house down by putting a s'more in the microwave, so don't do it. Okay, this is the dangerous part. You're gonna turn on the fire. Look at that, it's fire. Okay, you're gonna put it on medium if you wanted to do it how like I'm doing it. Maybe later I'll make a second tutorial how to make it golden brown. I don't know what you people like anymore. So we're gonna put this on a stick like this.
On a stick.
You gonna question my ways, chef?
That's clearly a fork.
Stick, food critic. Okay, we're gonna get it right here, and we're gonna just burn it. We're gonna make it toasty, just like my elbows. So we get it right here, and sort of go with the flow. Go with the flow. Perfect attempt incoming. All right, everybody. This is what the first layer of the marshmallow looks like. Does that look nice or does that look nice? I'm not even going to look in the comics because I know it looks nice. Also, I just said comics and not comments. Oh, hi, dog. This is my creature of low intelligence. Dogs. I mean cat. All right. So, now we're going to toast up the edges. Toast it up. You got to toast up the edges nice. Make sure they're nice. Because the whole marshmallow isn't perfect, then the s'more won't be perfect. Gotta get it perfect. Make sure you put it for just a couple of seconds. Like, not even 10.
That looks really good, Felix.
Thank you, Mom. I also wasn't planning on doing a name reveal, but yeah, my name is Felix.
Oh.
Guess what? That's the same name that PewDiePie has. So, I'm PewDiePie, guys.
That's a little bit unfair. Don't. Stop. Stop.
Be gone. Wait, did I toast it? I skipped the whole side. What did I tell you? Freaking Amber. Okay, we're gonna get this side nice and nice. Guys,
Careful, your fingers are getting very
guys. Don't smoke, or else your lungs will look like this. It'll be black. There'll be black lungs. Sad world. Sad. Go. Daphne, why are you still here, man? You're gonna get caught on fire and turn into a fire tornado. You have to be very careful with this part.
Is it for car?
Wait, I can't lift this. I made it too good. If I lift it, it's gonna turn into nice gushy. All right, everybody, make sure that you. Food critic, may you please hold this for me for a little bit?
Yeah, and I'm putting them in the fridge.
Food critic, very professional, by the way. She's getting paid nothing to be here. Okay, this piece of chocolate. You're gonna open it. I put it in the fridge because it was already melting.
I'm just getting your hands in the frame.
Okay, hands are now in frame. Mom checked. You're gonna open it, and now that you have this, you're gonna put it right here. Food. Oh wait. I told you not to burn your house down. I almost burnt this house down. Okay, now you're gonna get this. You're gonna have to be perfect. Food critic. Examine it.
It's raw!
What do you mean it's raw? I cooked it perfect. No! Guys, I'm gonna move you really quick. Wait. Oh. Guys, you okay? Okay, I'm gonna put you guys right here. Food critic is holding the camera now. So now she's a camera woman. Yes. So we're gonna squeeze it. We're gonna see what it looks like.
Wow. It looks really good.
And then thought it was raw. Okay, now your marshmallow should look like this. It should look perfect, beautiful, amazing, awesome. Just like you probably do, fellow viewer. Whoever's watching this. So we're gonna take our first bite. And yeah, this was the tutorial. So all of you guys should have been playing along. There's gonna be a test. You're gonna write down what all the steps were in the comments. That way I make sure I said comments, not comics or comments. Comments, you did it right. I'm gonna check them. That is not raw. I don't know what we're talking about. Oh my god! That looked gross. Wait, why am I talking with my mouth full? Wait. Let me show you your moves. I'm gonna show you my moves. Okay. Okay. Alright. That's gonna be the end of today's video. And see you in the next one. My faceless video. This is my first face reveal. My only face reveal. Anyways, good. Bye. Good evening, good morning, good night, depending on what time you're at watching this. Bye bye.